Hey guys, STS here. Today we're going to be checking out a program called The Sound of Sorting. This is a program that features all the sorts there are from history, from the first sort, which was a bubble sort right here, to, well, whatever sort there's recently, but we're going to take a look at a few of them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and let's begin. Up first, we have selection sort. Probably raise this up a bit. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, that's pretty fast. Sorry if you can't see what's going on, but you can get this yourself at http://petema.net. You know what I mean, it's right here. So yeah. Up next, we also have insertion sort. Pretty cool one. Yeah. Next we have, we're gonna skip this one, but merge sort. And looks like let's go for a bigger array size. Yeah, 500, that's good. I'll lower this down so that you can see what's going on right now. So guys, you can speed up if you're on PC, but sorry for mobile people. So yeah. Well, this is like a popular sort for some things and stuff. And we're at the final end. That sound is so cool, edgy and stuff. So yeah. Also I think something happened to this, so I'm gonna have to restart it. So yeah, guys. Alright, I resetted it, and now next we're gonna check out quick sort. So yeah. What's this? Let's do random because I like random. Let's run. That's cool. Let's do. There's a lot of quick sorts. Quick sort, dual pivot, ternary, and there are two ternaries, LR and LL. But let's do, why not do bubble sort? Yeah, why haven't I do bubble sort yet? That's weird. Alright, so let's hit random. Oh, well, it already did it for me, Rip. So this is how it takes. So might take a while. So you can go ahead, like if you're on PC, you can like go maybe speed up, but still you should watch it. And we are done. Let's reset, and up next we have heap sort. Let's do heap sort. And as you can see, they're like put in colors or groups, and yeah, pretty cool if you ask me. And then they get replaced by a smaller one, and they go here. Yeah, that's cool, since I think it's the only one with color. Like, it puts it into groups, and yeah. Now up next we have let's try odd even sort. Set and run. Oh, sound was kind of cool, guys. And yeah, that's odd even sort. Let's do radic sort. I like, this is kind of cool if you see this. Ready, guys? Oh. Did you hear that? Like, kind of cool. Let's see it with more things, with more stuff to sort. Yeah, see, look, see the shapes, like. Now let's reset, go to a lower number, and let's try radix. Let's try its brother. That is cool. It's kind of like quick sort, except it's like puts it in stuff. And let's do a few more, cause this video is getting pretty long. I'll put it a bit faster now. Let's do sort, or whatever it is. Well, that's quick, that's fast, that's pretty fast. As you can see, it's like a part of quick sort. And see, look at this. Puts it in groups. Stable sort, probably more stabler. Oh, sorry guys, if that was too fast for you. Sorry if that was too fast for you, but gotta shorten the video. Let's try stewed short. Oh, this is long. This is long.
Yeah.
Sorry guys if this is pretty sounds bad, yeah. No, let's just reset. Let's just do block merge sort as our last one. Ready guys? Let's do the last one. This time I won't do it as fast. Oh, that's cool. Kind of like merge sort. Except it's doing all of the parts, except not just like this half and then this half. And it's like very glitchy and stuff. And see, you can fix that. So yeah guys, that's most of the stuff here, but you can try it out yourself. Go to this link here. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. See ya.